Hello. Today, we have 3 different types of edge banding: PVC, ABS, and hybrid, also known as PP. We will compare them through various tests. Temperature resistance is an important criterion for edge bandings. At 85 degrees Celsius, we will leave the edge bandings for 1 hour and observe the change in dimensions. We found that our PVC sample shrank by 6 millimeters, while the other shrank by 1 millimeter each. In the next test, we will subject our edge bandings to a challenging burning test. Only PVC does not burn. Both ABS and hybrid burn, but does not produce hazardous gas. We will determine how many newtons of force PVC, ABS, and hybrid edge bandings can withstand by using the Ttile Test machine in our laboratory. As you can see, hybrid is the most resistant, followed by PVC and then ABS. Next, we will soak the edge bandings in a solvent for 24 hours. We place the PVC edge banding in 1 cup, the ABS edge banding in another, and the hybrid in a separate cup. After 24 hours, we will check the condition of the samples. The PVC edge banding becomes deformed and quite soft. Our ABS sample is completely deformed, while the hybrid remains solid. Aside from technical considerations and test results, it's worth noting that hybrid can be considered more environmentally friendly and healthier than the other types, with ABS following in this regard. Another interesting aspect to consider is the prices of these edge bandings, determining which one is more expensive and which one is more affordable. Looking at our price averages at Ttile, ABS edge banding is the most expensive, followed by PVC, and the most affordable option is hybrid edge banding. Another test is assessing the performance of these 3 edge bandings on an edge bander machine. ABS will provide the best experience on the machine, as it is easy to process, trim, and polish, and the knives will last longer. However, both PVC and PP will also work well. To draw a comparison between these 3 products, we can liken PVC to a gasoline-powered car, ABS to an electric-powered car, and hybrid to a hybrid car. At Ttile, our goal is to produce quality products regardless of the material. Rest assured that no matter what you purchase from Ttile, we manufacture only quality materials under the most environmentally friendly terms possible.